Hi there, guys. This is Trail Rider 570 coming at you with something totally different. Those of you who have a YouTube channel and you want to, do live streaming and all that, and Streamyard got so flippin' unbelievably expensive that everybody got rid of them, even I did. Well, I found a program, or actually, I was told about it, and I'm trying it out. It's They have a free version, so if you're just starting out, you can use the free version, or they have a pay version, which is $25 a month, and it's the same program that Mr. Beast uses. And I got it already loaded in my computer, and right here it is. This is what it looks like. This is what your dashboard looks like. Then we have down here. I'm going to turn off my headset. Let's see if I can do this. Turn my headset off. Alright, my headset's off. So anyway, you can see I turned off the headset, so my microphone changes. But we go over here. See if it lets it play. It's loading up. Yeah, you can't hear it, but you got all these music loops that you can do. You have all these little sound effects. Down, let's see here. Here's a countdown loop you can play. We go down. There's music that you can. It comes through on your YouTube channel. It's really easy to set your parameters up. See, like right here, I'm in here. I'm up here. These are all your settings. You can disable the cam. The microphone's working right now. So, and that, and yeah. So it's you can share screen, share a video. Light mode or dark mode, so you can change it up. See right there. You can do landscape or portrait mode if you just want to be. So you can set your mode how it broadcasts into YouTube. You go down here and that's where you add a guest. You add a camera, but you got to have the pro plan. I'm trying out the free plan first. And you can add scenes. If we go in here, they have virtual backgrounds. I don't know how that works. I'm still figuring that out. Your audio and your camera, your audio, your right there, your microphones and all that. It's all there. So you go back to your advanced settings and you can see comments, everything right here on your screen. On the screen, your comments will come up here as people talk to you in the chat. So you really don't need to even go to your YouTube channel other than to verify it's working. The music is, then you got layers. You can add a scene. I'm still figuring out a lot of this stuff, but yeah, it's $25 a month. This is where you pick your destinations, like going into YouTube or Facebook, whatever you want to do. That's how it works. My next thing I'm going to experiment with is I'm going to, go to my Facebook account and try to broadcast in there. So, yep. I've been experimenting with this. And so far, it's awesome. It's called EV, right here, MUX. I have some test live streams that I've done, and the link is in those test live streams. You want to check it out. And to me, it's 10 times better than what StreamYard is giving you for, your $45, whatever it is. This is $25 for the first part of the plan. This is the free plan. Then they have a plan that's $25, then it goes up. So their kind of not like, but like Streamyard, so you may like to use it. It's really easy to do. Your destinations, to set it up for YouTube channel, it's really easy. Took 5 minutes, so you can see right there I'm talking to you. And yeah, it took like 5 minutes to do all this stuff. And no, it works well. So this is EVMUX, and it's the same program that Mr. Beast uses. And $25 a month for the pay version, or the free version. Oh, they got a free version. I'm not sure how the free version works. Somehow here. Let's see here. Somehow though, I was able to. Somehow here. Let's see here if this is it. See right here's the upgrade. You can see upgrade. It's 25 or 49. So see there, you get for $49, you get a pro version. Free, you get 3 gig story up to 12 on a screen, backstage mode, push to talk, banners, tickers, screening, and if you notice, there is no time limit. So you can be on here as long as you want on the free version. If you go over here, you get custom RTMP, slideshows, logo, background overlays, full pro scene, up to 12 on a screen, and all that. So, and that's 25. Then if you go to the pro version, you get everything in basic, up to 12 on screen, pre-recorded streams, multiple cameras, and all that. The only thing I want to do is, though, I want to use this camera. I don't want to use the one in the computer. So I got to figure out how to, do that. As far as I keep clicking on it to want to use it, and it won't. So, but yeah, this is individual or business plan. So, yeah, guys, something to consider. If you're into live streaming, I'm going to upload this video in a few here, and try to get it out there. I'm not going to do much editing, and I will put the link to the upload as well. So check it out. It's called EVMUX right there. So check it out, guys. And I'm going to try a live stream with it in a couple hours. So I will see everybody in a couple hours when I'll be testing it, doing an actual live stream. So thanks a lot for listening in. And as always, this is Trail Rider 517. Goodbye, God bless. And check out this is awesome, man. This is a good program. I like it. It gives you a lot of stuff is there. So yeah, I will see you later. A couple hours. God bless. Bye bye.